the 3-week yoga retreat. We'll take care of it.
What comes to mind when you think of yoga? Crazy poses, super tight pants, crystals, gurus, oming, chanting, granola eating, tree hugging, new age hippies? Well, that's what pops into my head anyway. So I decided to wipe the slate clean, so that when you think of yoga, the first thing that pops into your head is fitness. Hey, we're a fitness company. Beachbody On Demand presents the 3-week yoga retreat, a 3-week immersion program that is 100% straight up yoga. That means no candles, no chanting, no oming, just pure, accessible yoga for everyone who ever wanted to try it. And it turns out there's 100 million people in North America who really want to try yoga, but are intimidated by yoga studios or turned off by the vibe. Now hold on a second. Some of you are probably wondering, why would I want to try yoga when what I really want is a before and after transformation? That's easy. For strength, endurance, balance, and flexibility, just for starters. Everybody's aware of the phenomenal results we see walking around in yoga pants. But yoga does so much more than give you a toned, slim, supple yoga body. It reduces stress, greatly improves heart health, even boosts your sex drive. That's actual science, so I can say, Google it. The benefits of yoga are wide-ranging and well-researched, but who's going to teach it to us? Well, say hello to our new yoga trainers, Faith, Ted, Elise, and Venus. They're expert instructors with precise cueing, beautiful form, and a special talent for getting newcomers up to speed, which is why you're going to be so good at yoga in just 3 weeks, right in the comfort of your living room. This is yoga made simple for beginners and for people who don't buy into all that other stuff. The bottom line is, yoga needs to be a part of your fitness routine. And now, we have a way to get started. You will feel absolutely amazing once you do. So get ready to immerse yourself into a new, old kind of fitness with the 3-week yoga retreat.
Please welcome to the stage, I'd like you to meet